Hi everybody, this is Julie Bean with Beadaholique, and I have a quick tip for you on how to change the spacing of your strings on a loom after you've already strung it. So there are a couple of reasons why you might want to change it. Maybe you have it positioned just slightly off. Maybe you accidentally did a double thread in one groove or something happened like that. Or in my case, I accidentally strung my loom as if I was using 11/0 beads, not 8/0. So I initially had every single groove filled and I wasn't skipping a groove, which is what I needed to do to accommodate these larger beads. So I have one little spot left here, and I'm going to show you how you can fix it, fix your problem if you did something similar, without having to undo all your string. Now I've fixed all the other ones beforehand, before I did my actual beadwork, and I want to show you how to do this last one. So I have a pair of nail scissors. These are your regular old nail scissors, and they have their distinctive feature where they have a little curve at the tip. That curve is the key. So if we look here at what we've got, what you're going to do is you're going to very carefully go under your thread that you want to move, and then just reposition it and let go. And like that, we were able to move it. So I actually did that for all of them over here and all of them over here. And it's just really, again, all you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, go under one thread at a time, catch it, and move it. So you see, I just moved that one over too. So really easy. You're just being really careful not to break your thread. But like I said, I did it with all my threads on both sides. I didn't have any breakage, just going very slowly. So simple pair of nail scissors really did the trick. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. We have lots more over at beadaholique.com.